Oh my God, so have a look at this Super IO chip, how it is. Pin 28, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, and 21 are all rusted. All this pin has to do with CPU reset as well as the power button. So can we fix something like this? Let's have a look. How can we fix it? This is gone. Come on. Let me go closer a little bit. Okay, so let's see. Let's clean. I need to put something very fine in there, like super fine. Let's see, like this tweezer fine. Let's see. Okay, so this is not soldered anywhere, and this is not soldered anywhere. Okay, so let's go closer and see where is this contact supposed to go. Okay, so I think I can fix it. Give me a second. Okay, so if the EC chip is not dead, maybe we can fix it. If it's not dead, we can fix it. Let's see. Let me get another tip, okay? Okay, so I see, looking better, huh? Yeah, don't worry about the bridge. Bridge is good. Okay, now let's put some regular solder paste. What this paste is doing that I was using before is removing the oxidation. Okay. Now let's come with a little bit of wig and let's remove this from here. Okay. So let's see. How is it looking? I want to come with a little bit more. In here. Because these are the oxidated parts. Okay. So let's see. Let's clean. Okay, so let's put this on continuity and let's see what we're missing. So this one is this. Okay, so this is this. And that's it. Okay, so we're missing this. We're missing a few. Okay, so let's see. Where is this? Oh, come on. Okay. Okay, let's see. We need to solder a few wires, okay? So let's clean a little bit. Okay. Good. Now let's put this back into its place. Man, this I can solder it. I don't know why. I don't know why I didn't solder there. It looks like we do have in here. Did I solder it now? Okay, so let's see, because we don't know what's underneath it, because these parts were broken. We're going to do it like this, okay? So now we take a very fine tip and we need to jump all these cables well here. Okay, we have this full. So there's nothing more under here. See, there's not short in here. That's beautiful. Okay. So we need to do this 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, you see? Good. Now let's grab the okay. So this one goes on this resistor in here. Good. One. Let's do the next one now. Okay, so you want to thin first the wire. Good. And this one goes in here. Good. Now let's turn the board a little bit like this, okay? Now let's do the next one. Okay. And this one goes in here. Okay. Good. Okay. And now the last one. Which is this one. Let's see. Okay. This one goes here. Good. Now let's check the other ones. Where are they? Now let's clean it a little bit. Okay, so we got the wire solder. Let's connect the charger. So pressing the power button, it's coming on, it's coming on. You see it coming on, coming off, and this laptop is now fixed. Check it out. Well, if you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.